Look at the tag on your shirt. Polyester, nylon, acrylic, spandex. Most of us never think twice about these words, and most of us don't realize that all of these materials are in essence derived from plastic. Today, more than 2/3 of all clothing produced worldwide is made from synthetic fibers, materials derived from petroleum, the same fossil fuels used to make plastic bottles, food packaging, and industrial chemicals are woven into the fabrics that we wear against our skin every single day. And that's just the beginning, because clothing isn't just made from fabric anymore. It's treated, dyed, finished, waterproofed. It's made to be wrinkle-resistant, stain-resistant, odor-resistant, and flame-resistant. Behind every one of those promises is chemistry. Thousands of chemicals are used in textile manufacturing. Some remain locked into the fabric. Independent testing has repeatedly found concerning substances in clothing sold around the world, including azo dyes that can break down into carcinogenic amines, PFAS or forever chemicals, phthalates in printed designs, formaldehyde-based wrinkle-resistant treatments, heavy metals used in certain dyes and pigments, and antimony, a catalyst commonly used in polyester manufacturing. Investigations have also found elevated levels of lead, cadmium, arsenic, and other heavy metals in some ultra-fast fashion garments, including products sold by Shein and other discount retailers. Some popular brands such as Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, activewear, and many intimate apparel brands have been found to carry hundreds of times the maximum limit of certain endocrine-disrupting chemicals. These findings raise important questions. What happens when these chemicals spend hours against our skin, day after day, year after year? Our skin is our largest organ, after all. It's not an impenetrable shield. Many chemicals can penetrate the skin to varying degrees, especially with heat, sweat, friction, and prolonged contact. Researchers are now studying how textile chemicals may contribute to our overall chemical exposure alongside cosmetics, food packaging, household dust, drinking water, and air pollution. One area receiving increasing scientific attention happens to be hormones. Many chemicals used throughout modern manufacturing, including some detected in textile, are suspected endocrine disruptors. Endocrine disruptors can interfere with the body's hormone signaling, and hormones regulate almost everything: metabolism, brain development, puberty, pregnancy, sperm production, ovulation, thyroid function. Even tiny changes during critical stages of development may have lasting effects. Researchers are still working to understand how much clothing contributes compared with our many other daily exposures. But laboratory research raises important questions. One of the most commonly found endocrine-disrupting chemicals in synthetic clothing is BPA. This substance drops pregnancy rates by up to 50%, according to many studies. Several small human studies investigating polyester underwear found changes in sperm quality and, in some cases, hormonal measurements compared with natural fibers. Earlier animal experiments also reported reduced fertility in dogs wearing polyester garments over extended periods. These studies helped launch decades of research on how synthetic materials, heat, static electricity, and textile-associated chemicals might influence reproductive health. This is especially important if you consider the fact that global fertility rates continue to decline. Sperm counts have fallen significantly in many populations over the past several decades. Researchers point to possible contributors: obesity, poor diet, air pollution, stress, chemical exposure, of course, endocrine-disrupting compounds. No single factor explains the trend, but clothing has become part of this much larger conversation. So what can you do? Choose natural fibers whenever possible. Undyed or naturally dyed organic cotton, linen, hemp. Make sure that it's responsibly produced. Look for independent certifications like GOTS or OEKO-TEX that restrict many harmful textiles, and be cautious of marketing terms. When you're looking for wool, for example, make sure that it doesn't come with marketing terms such as wrinkle-free, easy care, permanent press, stain-resistant, water-resistant, because often, whether you're talking about wool or cotton or another natural fabric, these finishes are achieved by using additional chemical treatments. Even labels like pre-washed or easy iron may indicate finishing processes that alter how a fabric feels and performs. Not every pre-washed garment contains a polymer, in other words, plastic, but it's worth understanding how the fabric was processed, not just what fiber it contains, because sometimes it is in fact coated with a synthetic substance that you don't want to have touch your skin. The goal isn't fear, it's awareness. Every day we make hundreds of decisions that affect our health. What we eat, what we drink, the air we breathe, the products we put on our skin. Perhaps it's time we started asking another question. What are we wearing? Because clothing isn't just fashion. It's one of the longest and closest chemical relationships we have. Every day, every season, every year. And the choices we make today may shape our health tomorrow. To help you with these choices, we've created a guide to non-toxic clothing brands. Be sure to check it out and start your journey on being more mindful of the clothing you wear and how it can impact your overall health and fertility.